Hello everybody, my name is Gary Yao, and today we'll explore the pros and cons of buying a fixer-upper. Is renovation adventure the right for you? Are you on the hunt for your new home, but finding the perfect move-in ready house seems like an impulsive endeavor within your budget? Enter the fixer-upper, a property that requires some TLC and renovation work. While it might be appealing, buying a fixer-upper comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages that needs you to weigh in carefully before making a decision. And today, we'll explore the pros and cons of buying a fixer-upper, helping you determine whether this renovation endeavor is right for you. Pros of buying a fixer-upper. Lower price point. One of the most significant advantages of a fixer-upper is its initial lower cost. These properties are generally lower priced compared to move-in ready homes, offering budget-conscious buyers an opportunity to enter the real estate market at an affordable price point. Second, customization and personalization. When you buy a fixer-upper, you have the chance to create your dream home from scratch. You can buy materials, finishes, and layout that suits your taste, making it truly personalized living space. Third, potential for equity. By investing time and money in renovating a fixer-upper, you can potentially increase the value significantly. If the housing market appreciates and your renovation are done strategically, you may build equity faster compared to simply purchasing a house that is already updated. 4. Less competition. Fixer-uppers can often be overlooked by many buyers due to their condition. As a result, you may face less competition during the buying process, giving you a chance to renegotiate a favorable term with the seller. 5th, opportunity for investment. For real estate investors, fixer-uppers can be a great opportunity to flip a property for a quick profit and turn into a rental property for a steady stream of income. With that said, let's explore the cons. There are 5 cons I would like to share with you when buying a fixer-upper. The first one is renovation costs. While the initial purchase price might be lower, the cost of renovation can add up quickly. Unexpected issues and necessary repairs can lead to additional expenses, potentially surpassing your renovation budget. Second, time and effort. Renovating a fixer-upper is not as quickly and as easy process that many imagine. It requires time, effort, and patience to receive and manage renovations, which can be stressful, especially if you are also working a full-time job. Third, uncertainty and risk. As with any renovation project, there's an inherent level of uncertainty and risk involved. You might uncover hidden problems during the renovation process that can escalate costs and delay the completion of your dream home. 4. Living conditions during the renovation. If you plan on living in the property during the renovation, be prepared of potential uncomfortable living situations. The dust, noise, and limited access to certain areas of your home can disrupt your daily life. So be warned. 5th, financing challenges. Securing financing for a fixer-upper can be more complicated than a move-in ready property. Traditional lenders might be hesitant to provide a mortgage for a property in need of significant repairs, especially if renovation loans often come with stricter requirements. Is a fixer-upper right for you? Deciding whether to buy a fixer-upper requires careful assessment of your financial situation. Renovating requires renovation skills and tolerance to risk. If you're passionate about creating a home that reflects your vision and you're prepared to the challenges that comes with the renovation projects, a fixer-upper might be an excellent option for you. On the other hand, if you prefer a move-in ready home with less uncertainty, a fixer-upper might not be the best fit. Buying a fixer-upper can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor, but it comes with its shares of challenges, so consider the pros and cons. Consult a real estate professional and assess your financial capabilities before diving into the renovation adventure. With careful planning and realistic expectation, you can turn a fixer-upper into your dream home and into a valuable investment. My name is Gary Yao, and I will be talking to you soon.